Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by y to the power of 4. And we have like this. So we have 1 over y to the power of 3 and dy over dxy to the power of 4. So in this one, we can use about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one, that is about this one. And this one we change for v. Next, we multiply both sides by negative number 3. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equation. So I will put about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can see that negative number 3 over s next to v, that is for integrating factor. And we have negative number 3 f and s. Later that negative number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s to the power of negative number 3. And we can write 1 over s to the power of 3. So we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 3v over s to the power of 4. This one we cancel. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put about v, first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have v over s to the power of 3. This one, that is about s, and I will put about c. Later that, we multiply both sides by this one. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.